Now iron all your pieces. You would want to iron the sleeve downwards into the cuff from either side, so it's nice and flat. Then you also want to iron apart the seam on your bias binding. Iron the seam here towards the body middle of the lining, the back and the facing. And it'll automatically in the front will want to go to the side, so you'll just follow what the fabric actually wants to do, because the front's much heavier. It'll be better that way. Now you fiddle out the corners or edges with your fingers, make sure that it's nice and round, and there you go, you've got your tab. And now we also prepare the bias binding for the collar and for the bow pocket. The small center strip for the bow will need to be ironed towards the middle from either side.